Anytime, any place, let's move our bodies. Short and sweet today. Let's just start with a nice march. Begin to already get dynamic with the movement. Let's really wake up our joints, get that inner energy flowing. Now, just step to the inside, reach your arm across your body. Connect to your breath, moving away so you can really feel what's happening. Let's bring ultimate presence into everything we do for this very short and sweet session. Okay, now, one more to each side as I mess it up. Just step back, arms come up, head up high. Breathe. Nice and easy. We don't need perfect conditions. We just need to keep showing up for ourselves and move our body in dynamic ways. Ooh, one more to each side. Okay, just where we started, we're gonna go back at it again. We're gonna pick up the pace just a little bit. We're gonna go through those 3 exercises again. March. Can you squat down a little bit? Get dynamic, move your body, twist a little bit into the march. Yes, feel the aliveness. Yeah, smile. Okay, step, reach across. Head up high. Pull your shoulders back a little bit. Feel it in your spine. All that mobility you're creating. Twist a little deeper. One more to each side. Brilliant. Step back, arms up. So maybe you step back a little further now. Arms come up a little bit higher. We're resorting to working out under bridges now. It has been so wet. Oh, embrace it all. Whatever the weather does, it's a great test to not let what's outside of us control what's going on the inside. One more. Yes. Excellent. Squat down. We're going to shift our weight from side to side. Imagine you're holding a ball or something. Bring it way out in front and then behind your head. Full body shift of weight. Grab that ball, come behind your head. Some nice deep breaths and let it out. Reverse, let's go the other way. You're gonna feel it in the legs here. Building great strength. Core stability. It's wonderful mobility in our shoulders and upper back. Ooh, one more. Yes. Let's have some fun here. Right arm first, between the legs. The elephant, right? Bring a leg up, and then we're gonna go to the left. Left leg comes up as well. Float the arm up. Right, raise your knee as high as you can. Very dynamic. Breathe in and out. Maybe you sink down just a little bit further. Sit down, yes. Full body. Last one here. That is a nice move. Narrow your stance. Swing the arms. Float the back of the hand up. Get a nice soft bend in the knees. Flow. Really get dynamic with your arms. It's like we're doing a dance. Feel it all the way down into your ankles. Reach up. Come on down. Ooh, yes, yes. Okay. And let's keep going. We're going to push out. Bring your hands back, but rise up onto the balls of your feet when you come up. When you come out. Push out, come up onto the balls of your feet. Reach your arms back as far as you can. Out, up on the balls of your feet. Breathe in and out. Head up high. Find the movement that works for you here. Yeah. Movement is medicine. Oh, hopefully your mood is brightened. Your energy is elevated. One more here. Excellent. Wide stance. So we're going to shift of body weight. And side bend. Feel that in the legs. Feel that strength you possess. And can you get nice and deep into your bend? Yeah. Slow it down if you like. Pick up the pace if it feels good. You remember, always choose your own adventure. Do the movement that suits you best. Ooh. One more to each side. Yes. Gonna finish in a prayer posture and some just gentle bends. Breathe in and out. Bend your knees just a little bit. Take a moment to just be. Bring all your attention into this movement, into this moment. Maybe this is a time you'd like to, thank your body. Oh, thank you, legs. Thank you, heart. Ooh, one more. Shake it all out. We've done it again. Well done to you for continuing to show up. No matter the time, no matter the place, we are just the kind of people who move our bodies every single day. I will see you tomorrow. Goodbye.